Looking for a low-cost way to make home improvement more environmentally friendly? I'm Danny Lifford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about an inexpensive water-conserving upgrade idea right after this.
The Home Depot is here to help, and we have many ways to help. You can download our app or go online to find the essential products and information you need quickly. You can order what you need online, and we can have it waiting for you at the store. Or we can even deliver over 1 million items free. And we have thousands of how-to videos for the projects and repairs you need to make. We're here to help. The Home Depot. How doers get more done.
Water conservation is one of the most fundamental ways to improve our environment, and one of the biggest water users in your home is the toilet. That's aggravated by the fact that there are still tens of thousands of the old 3.5-gallon toilets out there using even more water than necessary. But if you've priced the new water-saving toilets, you know that you have to spend several $100s to replace each toilet in your home. The solution may be a simple conversion kit. It replaces the inner workings and handle of an existing toilet and converts it to a dual flush unit. These kits cost about $30 each, so converting the whole house is more feasible, and the whole process usually takes less than 15 minutes, and you can do it all yourself. I'm Danny Lifford with tips for today's homeowner.